Hello everyone, this is Sarah and I'm crafting and relaxing, and I wanted to show you 5 cards that I have put together from the, Flora #1 kit that I demonstrated in the My Treasures video from the quilt shop and Hobby Lobby day. So I'll put a link to that below. I got a comment that you wanted to see what I made with it, but I don't know if you want to see the process or just the product and the outcome. So if you want to see the process, let me know, leave a comment below, because I did video a lot of this and I'll make videos as I continue on the kit if it's the process that you're interested in. A lot of you are just beginning and learning and you might want to see the detail. Those of you that are a little more experienced just want to see what I came up with in the end probably. So I have the 5 different cards, like I said, and I kept it pretty simple. I used my Stardust Clear Star pen, Jelly Roll Stardust Clear, I think formally is what it's called. And I had my white Signo, and then I used a Crayola Super Tip right here where it says beautiful and there's a little bit of color. And the shimmer is just from the Stardust Clear. So whenever you see shimmer on these cards, that's all I've used. I didn't use anything else actually. So I took the things, cut them up in the ways I wanted, rounded the corners because they're all pretty soft and girly, and used different buttons and bits of things. So this card you'll see it's very simple. I did a fussy cut and a pop dot here, and a ribbon and a couple layers and a lot of the clear star pen and some of the white pen. Similar thing here. I used some flowers, some jewels, and some sequins. The sequins are from the dollar store, and hit it with the pen just a little bit here and there. I'm not sure how well you can see that. Same kind of thing here. Buttons, a bit of ribbon, and some shimmer. Buttons, ribbon, and some shimmer. Here I've got some, I don't know what we call this string, but I just loved the pink and white, and it was a little off center when I stuck it, so I thought that was even more fun. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful, and my card was a little crooked. And here I have a little bit of shimmer and some white stitching around the edge just with the pen. So I thought these were just super fun, and I wanted to show them to you. So I hope you like them, and again, leave me a comment if you'd like to see the process video. It gives me an idea of what sorts of things you're interested in, and I hope that everybody's having a great day and that you take some time out for you for a little bit of crafting and relaxing.